Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the Millstone and Windrose. First of all, you'll need to unlock the foothills biome and find a village, an ancient village which looks like this. There are plenty of structures and there are cornfields. Also, as you can see, there are plenty of walls, so make sure you're armored so you can fight them. Once you are ready to go, go inside of the cornfield and find healthy corns inside of them, like this. Now, once you've gathered the corn, you'll see in the discovery you can make the millstone parts and millstones. Now, travel back to your base. Once you're back at your base, go to the workbench, and here you'll find the millstone parts, on which you'll need 15 stones. So go ahead and craft it, and then go to the building panel, crafting and utilities, and down in the refining you'll find the millstones. You'll need 15 wood and 1 millstone parts. Also make sure you place it under a roof or inside of a shelter so it can be used. And here you can see all the recipes and use it. So this is pretty much all how you get the millstone and Windrose. Thank you for watching, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.